It's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team, taking a look at your forecast and prepare for more wind. It's going to be a very windy weekend, especially Sunday when that storm front moves in. We'll talk about all that here, but your low temperatures are going to be very mild to start the day here on Saturday, and that'll be a launch pad for a little bit some warmer temperatures. We're likely going to break into the 70s here across the Front Range and the eastern plains with a little bit more sunshine, although there will be some of those lenticular clouds out there once again, just not a really big mountain wave cloud like we've been seeing. One of the concerns with the temperature and the wind and the low humidity is the fire danger. So we have critical fire weather levels here all across the eastern plains up to the north and to the south of Colorado. Fire weather warnings in place all through the day here on Saturday. Winds could get up to 60 miles per hour in some spots. Humidity 8 to 15%. And this does include even some of the mountain areas down to the south of Denver. So let's take a look at that forecast here. Now here's Saturday afternoon. These are some pretty strong wind gusts, and they could be pretty persistent and consistent across the day. Foothills up to 60 miles per hour in the northern foothills, 40s and 50s down in the south. These aren't power pole breaking, tree snapping type winds that we saw the other day, but these are still strong and they will be persistent across the day. The main concern would be fire danger if we get some going here. And then on Sunday afternoon, it's going to be very strong winds all the way up until about 8:30 on Sunday afternoon. That's when we'll finally be done with some of this very strong winds and persistent winds that we've had. So the high wind alerts that are in place here are for Sunday. This is a watch in place for areas to the east and to the south of Denver, but Denver will also be gusting into the 40 to 50 mile per hour range. We could see 60 to 75 mile per hour winds out here on the eastern plains. Take a look at the Futurecast showing that we'll see some clear skies at times on Saturday, so that'll help the temperatures get warm. The rain and the snow showers will start to come in front of this front. The front will come in late Saturday night into Sunday morning. We could see snow squalls in the mountains and also a couple of chances to get some rain and also some snow. I would expect to see a little bit of snow accumulation here across the Denver metro area. 0 to 2 inches is the forecast going all the way till noon, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Let's zoom in a little bit closer to get the better look at that timing. Saturday looks pretty clear for the most part. A few of those lenticular clouds across the foothills at time. Rain and snow showers will start late Saturday night. Tuesday or Sunday morning, we'll get that chance, at least one wave to see some rain and snow, and then a couple more chances, especially 7 o'clock in the morning. We could see a little bit accumulating snow here across the Denver area. Not too much, but another inch or so in spots. So you see that on your 7-day forecast. We're taking a look at the weather impact alert for Saturday. Because of the high fire danger, the winds, snow squalls in the mountains all the way into Sunday morning. Cold day, might not even break freezing possibly here in some areas across Sunday, and then we'll gradually warm up after a very cold morning on Monday morning, going into some record heat across the that's what we have in store for us. After this, we have a historic heat wave coming for the middle of next week where we could be in the 80s, breaking records for 3 or 4 days. So that is your wild forecast for you. Be safe out there on the weekend. And that is a look at your forecast. Have a good one.